Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get the legs of the horse started. This here was my last stitch of the last row. What I've done is I've found the middle on both sides of the body and I put a pin in each of these. Okay, so if you look at it from the front, that should look center, and same from the back. I'm going to have 16 stitches on this side and 16 stitches on this side. My pins are marking stitches 17 and 17 on both sides. Okay, so we're not going to work in these stitches. We're going to leave these stitches open. That's how we're going to close the body once the legs are done. So I'm going to go ahead and get this first leg row started here. Okay. I'm going to continue working in these stitches around up until I get to my stitch marker on the side. Once I reach this, I'm going to go ahead and just move over to the other side of the body, leaving that stitch here. Same here. I'm not going to work in this stitch. I'm going to work in the stitch right next to it. Okay, so I'm going to go in here. And then I'm going to continue working around just this side of the body. Right now we're building the hips going down to the legs and the feet. So now that I've completed this first row of the leg, I'm going to continue working this here. The leg and the foot is going to work off of this hip. In the next step, I'll show you how to start the second leg working off the center of the body. Here I'm going to be walking you through how to get the second leg started working directly off of the body. So I'm going to go ahead and just insert my hook into the stitch that has my stitch marker. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this yarn over my hook here and just pull that through. For this, you wanna make sure you leave a very long yarn tail because we're gonna be using this to sew the body closed later. So I'm just gonna throw that off to the side and I'm gonna get my first stitch started here. So I'm gonna go in and work into that first stitch right next to your stitch marker, okay? And you are going to go around working just in this circle here, just like we did on the other side leg. So this is going to be the 16 stitches that you're working off of, building the leg up. Once you've completed that, we'll then walk through how to sew the body closed using this yarn tail.